Hey guys, Sonny Henniger here with Convectex Bedbug Heaters, and we're talking about the Bedbug Heat Super Sale Package. This is a great package for do-it-yourselfers. It's a great package for hotels that have smaller rooms. It's super affordable, all commercial grade equipment. This system can be chosen with 3 different types of heaters. You can choose it with the Elite 4 heater, which operates best on 15 amp circuitry, the Elite 8 heater, which maximizes 20 amp circuitry, or the Elite 33K Hypro upgrade. Great heater, a lot more BTUs, and it actually will maximize 15 and 20 amp circuits, and you can use a combination of those. It comes with a 3000 CFM high temperature fan. It comes with all heavy duty cords. All the ends of the cords are lit, which makes it very easy for troubleshooting. This package also comes with an IR thermometer. This enables you to go throughout your treatment space at the end of your treatment and verify that you got lethal temperatures in all the different areas, corners, cracks, crevices, in between box springs, mattresses, etc. And it also comes with heat verification labels. These are labels that you can actually place throughout your treatment. They start out blue, and when they've reached lethal temperatures, they will turn and lock orange, verifying that you've achieved those lethal temperatures. So as far as your heater selection, if you have a smaller house or an apartment, you're probably going to want to go with either the Elite 4 or the 33K Hypro upgrade. The reason for this is most apartments and homes have a lot of 15 amp circuitry. And with this heater, the Elite 4, it doesn't matter whether you have 15 or 20 amp circuitry, you just need 4 separate circuits in your home to power this heater in its entirety. The Elite 4 heater is going to treat up to about 400 square feet if you have the right amount of fans. So the heater itself will actually do a lot more square footage. It has a lot more BTUs, but in order to treat those larger areas, you would need to add additional fans. So the package as it is, right around 300 square feet. The Elite 33K Hypro also has 4 15 or 20 amp inlets that you can use, with the addition of some 8 amp outlets to add additional heat if needed in larger areas. The Elite 8 heater we would generally recommend for hotels. Most hotels are built with 20 amp circuitry, they're commercial, and that is going to maximize those 20 amp circuits and be very efficient in hotel rooms. In the selection of your heater, if you do have a hotel or commercial property that has a PTAC, that's package terminal air conditioning, that would be the air conditioner underneath the window, if you have that very specific plug, you can order it with an adapter. It will convert that 220 volt energy into 110 volts for you. This would replace 4 of your 110 cords with the Elite 8 and with the 33K Hypro upgrade, and it would replace 2 of the 110 volt cords if you've ordered the Elite 4 in the Bedbug Heat Super Sale package. If you have larger areas in your home, your master bedroom, your living room area, you may want to look at the Home Bedbug Heat package. It comes with the same selection of heaters, but it already comes packaged with 2 fans, which will allow you to maximize the BTUs that are going to be produced by the Elite 4 heater. If you have a hotel that has larger rooms, look at our Bedbug Heat Master Package. This package comes with the same selection of heaters, but will already be packaged with 2 fans. It also has a transboard, all kinds of educational material for your staff so that they know where to look and what to look for when concerning bed bugs in your hotel, as well as 2 sprinkler head covers, which you want to protect if you're doing a heat treatment in a hotel with fire suppression. As always, if you have any questions regarding the ordering of your equipment, the application that you may have for it, or even when you receive the equipment, if you have any questions at all, we are always here to take your call and support you in any way that we can.